Number 12. The blue triangle has been rotated from quadrant 1 to quadrant 3 about the origin. Describe the effects of the rotation on the coordinates of the blue triangle. All right, so we started up here, and we're ending up down here. So A was originally located at 3, 5. Well, A prime looks like it's at -3, -5. Let's look at B. B was originally located at 6, 1. Well, B prime looks like -6, -1. So it looks to me like we're changing the sign of the coordinates. So A says the coordinates switch positions. Y'all, that doesn't happen in a rotation. B, the signs of the coordinates change. I'm thinking that's probably the answer. C, the sign of the x-coordinate changes. Well, we just found out that they both change, right? Because the y here was +5 and down here it's -5. So it's not just the x-coordinate. And then the coordinates switch positions and the signs change. Again, when it says switch positions, it's almost like you're cutting the triangle apart and putting, A down here or something crazy. We don't switch positions. So this one would be that the signs of the coordinates change.